Hey, have you thought about what it's like to live in this neighborhood? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is From the Neighborhood. Now, what exactly am I doing here? Why should you keep watching it and click on the thumbs up or even subscribe? So here's the big reason. I've taken on a challenge that can only be solved by us working together. The challenge is that we all need a place to live and we all want to love the place where we live. How do we do this in a place we don't know? How do you go from being just a visitor to this place to becoming a homeowner in this community? And if you already own a home, well, let's make your home owning experience more enjoyable. On this channel, I've got a variety of episodes coming straight to you that will feature neighborhoods across America, things you can do in each one of them, conversations with their local notables, their small business owners, and the many real estate agents that make home ownership possible. And many of them will be giving us a tour of some homes which may just be the place that you would love to live in. So let's be from the neighborhood, and thank you for watching, hitting the thumbs up and clicking on subscribe. There's a lot of places and many things to experience together. You never know if the next one might just be yours. So in the meantime, I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.